The 15 benefits of a plant-based diet on sexual health. Maintaining a healthy diet is essential for overall health, including sexual health. 1. Reduced risk of erectile dysfunction. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that men who consumed a primarily plant-based diet had a significantly lower risk of developing erectile dysfunction, ED, than those who consumed a predominantly animal-based diet. 2. Improved blood flow and cardiovascular health. Plant-based diets are often lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, which can improve cardiovascular health and blood flow to the genitals. 3. Reduced risk of prostate cancer. Evidence suggests that a diet high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains may reduce the risk of prostate cancer. 4. Improved sexual function and satisfaction. Research has shown that women and men who consume a plant-based diet report improved sexual function and satisfaction compared to those who consume a diet high in meat and dairy products. 5. Increased libido. Some plant-based foods may have specific effects on sexual health and libido, such as watermelon, pineapple, cucumber, leafy greens, roots, cacao, mango, and coconut water. 6. Reduced risk of sexual dysfunction in women. Studies have shown that women who consume a plant-based diet have a reduced risk of sexual dysfunction, including difficulty achieving orgasm and pain during intercourse. 7. Lower risk of sexually transmitted infections. Plant-based diets may help reduce the risk of sexually transmitted infections due to their anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. 8. Improved fertility. Consuming a plant-based diet may improve fertility in both men and women due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. 9. Reduced risk of hormonal imbalances. A plant-based diet can help reduce the risk of hormonal imbalances, which can negatively impact sexual health. Some plant-based foods, such as avocados, nuts, and seeds, are rich in healthy fats that can support hormone production and sexual function. 10. Improved gut health and reduced stress. Plant-based diets can improve gut health, which has been linked to improved mood and reduced stress levels, both of which can positively impact sexual function. 11. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Plant-based diets can help reduce the risk of certain chronic diseases, such as diabetes and obesity, which can negatively impact sexual health. 12. Increased antioxidant levels. Eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can increase antioxidant levels in the body, which can protect against oxidative stress and damage to sperm cells. 13. Rich in essential nutrients. Plant-based diets are rich in nutrients such as vitamins C, E, and folate, which are important for maintaining healthy sexual function. 14. Reduced inflammation. Eating a plant-based diet can help reduce inflammation in the body, which has been associated with erectile dysfunction, ED. 15. Improved blood flow. Plant-based diets have been shown to improve blood flow throughout the body, which can improve erectile function in men. Conclusion. There is scientific evidence to support the benefits of a plant-based diet on sexual health through various mechanisms. Incorporating more plant-based foods into your diet may offer a simple and effective way to support healthy sexual function and overall sexual health.